lot of poop. Hi guys, welcome back to Essie's Farm Fix. Today we're going to be tackling the bullpen. The bullpen is where we keep the bull during part of the year so that the cows don't get bred and have calves in the winter. It can unfortunately happen that if a calf is born during a snowstorm or sleet storm or just incredibly cold temperatures, the calf can sometimes freeze to death before we can get to it and get it in the barn. So this is how we avoid calves being born during the months we don't want them born. This year, this was the only pen we had available for the bull, so by the end of the season it was pretty full of manure, which was really sad to see, but we're hoping that next season we'll have a second space available, cleaned out, so that we can swap him out mid-season, clean this space out, and put him back in before it gets this bad. Because yeah, this is not fun for him near the end of the season to have to walk through this much manure. Just farm problems, you know. I have my nephew helping me on this project since he is young and strong and wanted to make some extra cash. And also I have a pretty bad back, and certain things can kind of set it off easier than others, and this really wet, heavy manure is definitely not something I can tackle by myself unless I'm only going to spend 15 to 20 minutes at a time at it, which would take me forever to get through this. So you'll see me pop in sometimes, but most of the time it is my nephew who's doing all the work. And of course, Roy is here to help too because he's very helpful. And you'll see Angus running around in the background too sometimes. Although it's a lot of work, and I did actually end up injuring myself during this project, it's pretty relaxing to just pick away at something repetitively like this and watch it slowly disappear. So we did have some fun with this, again, even though it is a lot of work. So enjoy the time lapse and let me know below if you've ever had to tackle this much manure by hand before. And did you have fun? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. I also had my niece and my younger nephew helping out. They had fun cleaning up all the hay chaff in the walkway while we were working on the bullpen. So this is them. I just brought my back. I did manage to get my camera out of the mouth. Oh gosh. It was up there. I thought I was gonna die reaching for it. Luckily, I have this pitchfork as a walking stick. Oh gosh. Roy! Roy! Can you carry me to the house? I broke my back. Ouch. Oh. Okay. So, I guess this means it's time for a break. Oh, I have to get someone else to shut the doors. So I definitely can't do that now. Angus, will you shut the doors? No? Useless. Useless. We hear babies. Investigate. Where's my lens? They're like, what is that? We're getting there. A little over halfway. All right, what are you doing? Ew. Now I know there was one above this because I unscrewed the light bulb earlier, and one flew. A mom flew out. There, let's see.
There's one above this too.
good wheelbarrow, got a flat tire on it just as we were nearing the end. So sadly we had to swap it out for our other wheelbarrow, which couldn't handle quite as much weight. So we had to do more frequent trips with this one. But we made it work and we made it through.